Hello everyone, welcome to our channel.
In my last video, we have seen the LCM shortcut. If in case you missed it, please check the link in the description box. Now we are going to see a simple trick to find HCF. HCF is nothing but highest common factor. If you see this example, to find the highest common factor, we will factorize 4 first. It is 2 into 2. If you factorize 8, 2 into 2 into 2. And 12, it is 2 into 2 into 3. So if we see all the numbers are factors, so whichever is common to all the numbers. Here 2 into 2 is the common factor for all the 3 numbers. So the answer here is 2 into 2 and 4. So 4 is the HCF. This is the usual method we follow to find the HCF. But as you see, this method will take more time to solve. Instead of this, we have a simple technique. Let's solve this example first. So first, let's find out which is the smallest number among these 3. So the smallest number here is 4. So first you have to check whether it is divisible by all the remaining numbers. So 4 is divisible in 8 and also it will come in 12. So the answer here is 4. So it is as simple as that. Now let's see this example. So the smallest number here is 14. If you check 14, whether 14 is divisible by all other number, it is not divisible by 77. So we have to divide it by 2. So we have to consider this as 1. So now we are going to 2. So we will get 7 as the answer. Now we have to check whether the 7 is divisible by 77 and 56. It is divisible by 77 as well as 56. So the HCF here is 7. Now let's see this example. If you see all the number is ending with 0. So we can ignore this 0 in all the 3 numbers. Since 40 is the lowest number here, we have to check whether 40 is divisible by all other numbers. But it is not divisible. So we have to divide it by 2. We will get 20. So now we have to check whether 20 is divisible by all the other number. Again, it is not divisible by other 2 numbers. So we have to divide by 3. But if you divide by 3, we will not get the whole number. So we can ignore this. Again, we have to divide by 4. So we will get 10 as the answer. So we have to check whether 10 is divisible by all the other numbers. But it is not divisible again. So we have to go to 5. So if you divide by 5, you will get answer as 8. Now let's check whether this 8 is divisible by all the other numbers. It is divisible as well as 104. 13 8s are 104. So the answer here is 8. But since we ignored this 0 in all the 3 numbers, we have to add 1 0 to the answer. So the HCF here is 80. Now let's see this example. Here the lowest number is 12. But if you see, there is one prime number. So if you go on divide by 2, 3 or 4, even then the number which we will get will not be divisible by 17 because 17 is a prime number. In this case, the HCF is always 1 because the prime number will not be divisible by any of the number other than 1 and by itself. So the answer is 1. So if you see any of the prime number in the given question, you can straight away write the answer is 1. So by using this shortcut, we can find HCF of any numbers easily within some few seconds.
Thank you for watching this video.